Alright. The long-awaited red-head Agamas. And they're little kidnap sacks. I don't want to chop any of their little legs off. That would be bad. There we go. I'm betting these guys are gonna rush right out. Look at you, you're in there backwards. Hey, buddy. It's okay if you bite me, I would understand that. You wanna come out? I know. Let's see.
Ty's warm.
A little bit. Can you move that little hand? There we go. Check you out. I know, you're probably in shock. You've come a long way. States away, in fact.
Oh, wow.
Look how pretty. Yeah, thought so. You like that back wall? We made that just for you. Let's see. You look like one of the females. Alright. Let's get the rest of you babies freed. Yeah, you're definitely alive. That's good. Are you all in there backwards, I wonder? I'm sure I'll be able to tell when I get to the male. I bet he's going to be the one that bites me. But that's alright. Artemis has trained me for that.
No, she hasn't. She barely bites you.
Okay, you know what? Pan has trained me for that.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. Alright, you. Your turn. Which one are you? I hope one of the males is fired up. I want to see those pretty colors. Is this? Okay. Wow, check you out. You're not in there backwards. You gonna bite me? Oh, look at you. Pretty girl. You feel weird on the bottom. You feel like more like a snake on the bottom. They do. They're like not softer, smoother. Come on. Like more finely scaled, I guess. Alright. No, come on. Come on, I guarantee you want to be out here. It's nice out here. There you go. Look. You guys want to climb? Oh, you are gorgeous. Okay, everyone's just gonna go to that back corner. Alright. Check you guys out. Look at you. Wow, that's a round looking little baby. Please be pregnant for me. Alright. None of that. I guarantee we're gonna probably have some escapes while we're trying to unbox.
Yeah.
But, you know. These are gorgeous little creatures. I've never seen an Agama in real life before this. They've been a species that I've been interested in, but never had the pleasure to have them before. So, how did this dude tie this? This one's wonky. Alright. When are we gonna get to my male? Oh, there you are. Let's see. Are you my boy or my girl?
Bites. Oh, boy.
Yeah, that'll be a good indicator. Are you all just gonna go to the back corner?
Oh, that one tried to bite.
Well, that's not surprising, you know. I bet I'd try to bite someone that was, if I was in this situation too. Wow, look at you. Yeah, go look. Yeah, a very nice space for you. Look at those colors. You are stunning. Hey, they can climb the back wall. That's good. We were wondering about that. Alright. Now we're gonna get to my male. There you are. I'll see you. Are you my boy or my girl? You are gorgeous. I don't know if you can see those colors, but there's some orange and greenish and all sorts of pretty stuff going on. Alright, Kit. I know, guys. We're gonna give you some time to settle in. We gotta free all of your little friends here, though. We gotta free the rest of the harem, more like. That's gonna be one lucky man. 4 women. God Machine says, nah, it's not really all it's cracked up to be. Lush just gives him headaches. Oh, are you the boy? You might be the boy. I think I see a little bit of color in here. Let's see, if he bites me, oh yeah. Check him out. You can't really see very well. Wait. Yeah, there's a little red in that coloration. Alright, you're gonna bite me, I think. But that's alright. We're getting acquainted. You wanna come up, bud? Go see your girls. I know, you're stressed out. You got sharp little claws. Oh, bud. Alright, you're definitely a big one. I know. Wow. Ooh, look at the tail! Check that out! That is fantastic. Wow. Stunning. You're not as flighty, huh? Yay! Hey, someone going. Wow, you are so pretty! Nope. First escape. Come on, bud. I don't want to have to grab you. Oh, you're spiky. Come on, let me get your last female out for you. Here we go, buddy. I know, you're stressed out. Very handsome. Yeah. Look at those little fingers. You are fantastic. Wow, that color. So he's getting fired up. Those colors are stunning. Look at that head. I know, buddy. Look, there's a nice little stick for you. There's a bunch of little perching spots. Yeah. Go see your ladies. We got one more girl in here. Alright. Last one. She says, took you long enough. Oh, girly. Last but not least. Wow. These are some very lively little babies for fresh out the box. I expected them to be a little more stunned, but nope, not from these guys and girls. Oh, yep, you're in there backwards too. Come on, pretty girl. I know. Right. Wow. You're the one that I thought was a male. Come on. Yep, go this way. Come on up. Nope, not in the pan cage. There we go. Nope, not this way either. Damn, you know exactly what the door is. You're fast. Alright, give me a minute. Come foot. You are gripping. Move that foot, please.
You want me to open the door?
No.
Yeah.
There we go. Wow, underside of them is pretty too. This is just a gorgeous little species.